spring is coming sooner, but how long before? The answer depends on where you are on Earth, according to a study led by the University of California. The study found that for every 10 degrees north of the moving equator, spring arrives about 4 days earlier than it did a decade ago. This increase towards the north in the rate of advance of the spring is approximately 3 times greater than what the previous studies have indicated. For example, in mid to middle latitudes such as Los Angeles, New Orleans or Dallas, the study suggests that spring could be arriving just 1 day earlier than a decade ago. Further north, in Seattle, Chicago or Washington, D.C., it could arrive 4 days earlier. And if you live in the Arctic, it could arrive up to 16 days before. The study verifies observations that have been circulating in the scientific community and popular reports for years. Member of the John Muir Institute and polar ecologist in the Department of Wildlife, Fish and Conservation Biology at UC Davis. Yes, spring is coming sooner, and the Arctic is experiencing greater spring breakthroughs than lower latitudes. What our study adds is that we connect these differences with a faster spring warming at higher latitudes.